How to open savings account Bank of America. To open up a savings account on Bank of America, go to bankofamerica.com. Then head over to the Savings and CDs page. Then click on Open a Savings Account option. Once you click on Open a Savings Account option, read everything that is related to the account. Then click on the Open a Savings Account option. A form will open up here asking whether you have an offer code or whether you're an existing customer. If you don't have it, just leave it and click on Go to Application. Then once you've done that, you'll be able to fill in all of your legal document. So make sure to enter your first name, your last name, and everything else that is on this document based on the legal details that you might have. And once you've entered them, you might also need to send your ID for verification, like a social security number, tax identification number, or your proof of address. So after this application is done and then you review and submit it, Bank of America is going to get back to you whether or not your account is approved. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.